Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5077179 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option. You can hit pause over here, and once it is paused, now you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can go back. If you see retry option over here, hit retry and then check. Still not working. Run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, CMD. What is happening? Okay. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and paste it on the same window. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan, this scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077179, and then click on search. Now over here, check your system type first. So go to Windows settings and then go to system. Scroll down, go to about option. Here you can see 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 26H1 x64 base system. So this is the right one. Click on download and then click on the update, that is KB5077179 over here, and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and then you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, go to recovery option over here, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. For this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run the exe file. Run this exe file. And then you have to click on accept. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once done, click on finish option over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, and then click on yes to allow. Click on next over here, click on accept over here. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.